English speaking practice session. Let's say two people are discussing something or talking with each other. Let's start. First person. Have you written to your brother yet? Second person. Yes, but I haven't mailed the letter yet. First person. I went to the post office half an hour ago. Second person. Why didn't you tell me? First person. Did your friend in San Francisco write to you? Second person. Yes, I got a letter from her on last Monday. First person. What did she have to say? Second person. She said this city was interesting and very much pretty. First person. Did you write a reply to Peter's letter? Second person. Yes, I wrote one on last Friday. First person. Did you mention his last letter to you? Second person. Yes, I said I had enjoyed his letter a lot. First person. What are you writing? Second person. I am writing a thank you note to the Agarwals. First person. What are you doing that for? Second person. I had dinner with them and it's customary to write a thank you note. So this is all about. I hope you enjoyed this video and will start practicing making your sentences by your own way, because practice and perseverance are the main mantras for success. So this is all about. Thank you for your time. See you soon on the next lecture. Until then, bye bye.